Hello, can I sit here?
Yes, you can.
What is your name?
My name is Sarah.
Where are you from, Sarah?
I am from Mumbai.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Do you have brothers or sisters?
Yes, I have one sister.
What is your sister's name?
Her name is Priya.
How old is Priya?
She is 8 years old.
What do your parents do?
My mother is a nurse, and my father is a driver.
Where does your mother work?
She works in a hospital.
Why does she like her job?
She likes to help sick people.
What do you do every day?
I go to school and play with my friends.
What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
When do you go to school?
I go to school at 9 o'clock in the morning.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bicycle.
Who do you sit with in class?
I sit with my friend Ravi.
Where does Ravi live?
He lives near my house.
What do you and Ravi like to do?
We like to play football and read stories.
Which story are you reading now?
I am reading a story about birds.
Why do you like this story?
I like it because I love birds.
What is your favorite bird?
My favorite bird is a parrot.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a cat.
What is your cat's name?
Her name is Bella.
Where does Bella sleep?
She sleeps in my bed.
When do you play with Bella?
I play with her after school.
What do you do after school?
I do my homework and play with Bella.
Where do you do your homework?
I do my homework at the table.
Who helps you with your homework?
My sister helps me.
Which subject do you like the most?
I like science the most.
Why do you like science?
I like science because it is interesting.
What is your favorite food?
My favorite food is rice and vegetables.
Who is your science teacher?
My science teacher is Mrs. Gupta.
How does Mrs. Gupta teach?
She teaches in a fun way.
What do you do during lunch at school?
I eat my lunch and talk to my friends.
What do you eat for lunch?
I eat bread and fruit.
Where do you eat lunch?
I eat lunch in the classroom.
Who do you sit with at lunch?
I sit with Ravi and Priya.
When do you finish school?
I finish school at 2 o'clock.
Where do you go after school?
I go to the park.
What do you do in the evening?
I help my mother and watch cartoons.
What is your favorite cartoon?
My favorite cartoon is about a rabbit.
Who watches cartoons with you?
My sister watches cartoons with me.
When do you eat dinner?
I eat dinner at 6 o'clock.
What do you eat for dinner?
I eat noodles and eggs.
Who cooks dinner?
My father cooks dinner.
Where do you eat dinner?
We eat dinner in the kitchen.
What do you do after dinner?
I read a book or draw pictures.
What is your favorite book?
My favorite book is about a king.
Which picture did you draw yesterday?
I drew a picture of a mountain.
Why did you draw a mountain?
I like mountains because they are big.
Who taught you to draw?
My mother taught me.
Where do you keep your drawings?
I keep them in a box.
What book did you read last night?
I read a book about the ocean.
Why do you like the ocean?
It is big and beautiful.
Who gave you the ocean book?
My aunt gave it to me.
When do you visit your aunt?
I visit her on Sundays.
Where does your aunt live?
She lives in a small town.
What do you do when you visit her?
We play games and eat sweets.
What is your favorite sweet?
My favorite sweet is chocolate.
Which food do you like at her house?
I like sandwiches.
Why do you like sandwiches?
They are tasty and easy to eat.
Who makes the sandwiches?
My aunt makes the sandwiches.
When do you go to bed on weekends?
I go to bed at 9 o'clock.
How do you feel on weekends?
I feel happy and free.
What do you do on Sunday mornings?
I go to the garden with my family.
Why do you like going to the garden?
I like the flowers and trees.
Who goes to the garden with you?
My mother, father, and sister go with me.
What is your favorite flower?
My favorite flower is a rose.
What do you do at the garden?
I play on the grass and look at the flowers.
Which game do you play with your sister?
We play hide and seek.
Why do you like hide and seek?
It is fun and exciting.
When do you leave the garden?
We leave the garden at 11 o'clock.
Where do you go after the garden?
We go home and eat lunch.
What do you eat for lunch on Sundays?
We eat rice and vegetables.
Who cooks lunch on Sundays?
My mother cooks lunch.
Why do you like your mother's cooking?
She makes delicious food.
What is your favorite vegetable?
My favorite vegetable is carrots.
What do you do after lunch?
I help my mother clean the table.
Where do you put the dirty plates?
I put them in the sink.
Who washes the plates?
My mother washes the plates.
When do you rest?
I rest after lunch.
What do you do when you rest?
I read a book or listen to music.
Which music do you listen to?
I listen to happy songs.
Why do you like happy songs?
They make me feel good.
Who listens to music with you?
My sister listens with me.
What is your favorite song?
My favorite song is about the sun.
When do you do your Sunday homework?
I do it in the afternoon.
Where do you sit to do your homework?
I sit at my desk.
Who helps you if you don't understand?
My father helps me.
Why is reading homework easy?
It is easy because I like stories.
What do you do after homework?
I play games or draw pictures.
Which games do you play indoors?
I play card games with my family.
Who usually wins the game?
My sister usually wins.
Why does your sister win?
She is very smart.
What do you do if you lose?
I laugh and try again.
Where do you keep your card games?
I keep them in the cupboard.
When do you go outside again?
I go outside in the evening.
What do you do outside in the evening?
I ride my scooter.
Who taught you to ride a scooter?
My father taught me.
Which scooter do you ride?
I ride a blue scooter.
Why do you like your scooter?
It is fast and fun.
Where do you ride your scooter?
I ride it in the park.
Who rides with you?
My sister rides with me.
When do you go back home?
I go back home at 5 o'clock.
What do you do after riding?
I wash my hands and face.
Where do you wash your hands?
I wash them in the bathroom.
What do you eat for dinner on Sundays?
We eat soup and bread.
Who eats dinner with you?
My whole family eats dinner together.
Why do you like family dinners?
We talk and laugh together.
What do you do after dinner?
I help clean the table.
Where do you put the clean plates?
I put them in the cupboard.
When do you get ready for bed?
I get ready at 8 p.m.